Hello, it's Tim from Toy Tinker Tim, and recently I was preparing for a review of my Kenner Maskatron figure. And the super suction arm attachment was suffering from some of the common issues that these pieces face, which are being curved, broken, or warped. So I'm covering my method of repair and care for this special piece. The rubbery material has some flex left to it, but you'll see this in other figures. The arms are curved, the suction cup tips have gotten wavy edges, and besides the break near the silver arm, there's also a crack forming around the edge of the suction cup. You can see pretty obvious here at the base, the rubber is cracking and breaking where it joins with the solid silver plastic, an issue of age and stress. After running hot tap water over the suction arm to relax the material, it makes that break even more evident. So silicone treatment can help rejuvenate aged items like this, though this one is already past most of the benefit. It's still worth a treatment for down the road. Near the tip of the break, the rubber is very warped, so just a fine trim off the extreme bend is all that's needed. With the flush ends fitting up nicely, I'm going to take a small styrene dowel and feed it into both ends before gluing to prevent the same problem from coming back in a few years. I've sanded the edges of the styrene dowel so it's tapered. It'll help it feed into the rubber. Dampening it with water will help it slide into the rubber sections. Using a pin drill, I've created some space for the plastic dowel to work through to make the process easier. And a drop of super glue at the rubber ends is used, not on the dowel itself though. Here's a view of the finished repair. I can see there's a crack forming near the suction cup end of it too, so it'll probably be the same process to repair if that continues to get worse. If you face the same problem with your figure, then hopefully this will help, maybe give you some ideas. Please consider subscribing to keep up with the latest episodes, and thanks for watching.